Pressure there. Oh. This is good. Okay, Fran's going to try now. You can't put no pressure there or your hand's got to be loose. Straight, loose and straight. She's going to ask a question. She's definitely going to ask a question. We're going to see what's happened. Your hand's got to be straight and loose. Nothing holding it.
Is anybody there?
You're putting that on.
I'm not.
It's going up to yes. You're putting that on.
I'm not.
You are. Swear on Luke, you're not putting.
Is there a ghost here?
Swear on Luke, you're not putting it on.
No, that's what I can put it on again.
Okay, let me do it. See, I actually swear on Mickey that was doing it. You couldn't do it.
No, I don't think so.
I'd never swear on Mickey if it never done. Okay, if there's anybody there, do you know that Mickey is ill? Do you know that Mickey is ill?
Just move that. You're moving it.
I'm moving it now. Oh, I'll put my hand loose. You got to have your hand loose. Do you know that Mickey is ill?
You don't have his paper.
He knows you're recording it. What's the first initial of Fran's grandfather? I would never know this. I never know this. What's the first initial of her grandfather? To the initial of her grandfather. What's the initial of Fran's grandfather? RQ. That's not, is it? It's not RQS, is it? Why is it saying a number 4? Was his birthday on the 4th? You've got it wrong. What's it now? T? Is it T? But don't make your mind up. It's not going to be you, is it? It's not going to be V. It can't be WXYZ, surely. Why is it going not over to that side? From why is it going over to that side? Can you see me moving my arm on purpose?
Yeah.
It's scaring you, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's the name of your school?
Yeah, what's the master?
What's the first letter of your school, don't I? Do you know?
Yeah.
What's the first letter of Fran's school? It's the first letter of Fran's school. You're a very dyslexic ghost. This is stupid. You'd lie if it was true.
Yeah.
You'd lie if it was true.